Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, August 30th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So in today's video, I thought I would talk to you and try to explain QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated in 5 minutes. And basically, if you've never seen any of my other videos about QuickSilver, this is an opportunity that has been around since 2019, all right? So 6 years now. And it's a precious metals company where you can become a member, all right? You can join as a preferred customer and get membership pricing. Or you can join our business opportunity and get membership pricing and have the ability to earn income by sharing the opportunity with other people. Okay, so we have I have people on my team who are just preferred customers. They just join because they want the membership pricing, and they just get silver, gold, copper, platinum, whatever it is they choose, delivered to their door every single month. All right, we call them auto wealth shipments. And then I have people who join as wealth ambassadors, and those are the people who not only want to stack silver, but they want to have the opportunity to earn commissions by sharing the opportunity with other people. Okay, so you can join as a preferred customer for free and get membership pricing. Then you just select whatever package you want to be sent to your doorstep every single month. Or you can join as a wealth ambassador for $9.97 a month. You get your wealth platform. Okay, and that has a complete back office. You get replicated websites, everything you need to own and run your own precious metals business, and the ability to earn commissions by sharing the opportunity with other people. Or if you just sign up preferred customers and they place orders through your links, you will earn commissions on whatever they purchase. Okay, so it's an awesome opportunity. For $9.97 a month to be a wealth ambassador, it's a no-brainer. We have auto shipment packages that start as low as $8.97 a month to get fractional silver delivered to your door. And then on top of all that, we have a marketing system, a branded marketing system that is top-notch. It has autoresponders, it has capture pages, you can broadcast your lists. It has everything you need. It's really a complete management system. Okay, you get a free 7-day trial, and then it's $7.77 a month. All right, so if you become a wealth ambassador for less than $10, get your fractional silver sent to you every month for less than $10, and have a marketing system that's branded for less than $10. You have a complete business in a box for under $30 a month, and a third of that is coming to you so you can build your investment portfolio, right? You're getting solid, tangible assets in the mail every single month. So not only can you build your investment portfolio, you can earn additional income by sharing the opportunity with other people, and it's a no-brainer, all right? We just saw yesterday that gold or silver, the spot price as of last night, it was like $39.96 or something, just a few pennies shy of $40, right? And the experts are saying once it hits $40, it's going to go on a huge run. Some experts say as high as $50 before the end of the year. I've seen other people say that it will hit triple digits before the end of the year. I'm not a silver expert, so I'm just telling you what I've heard. Go do your own due diligence. But I do know that right now, silver is, the way people are looking at it is changing, right? And the demand for it is growing. And we know that with, when you have a limited supply of something and the demand increases, the value of it is going to increase, right? So silver is a hedge against inflation. It's just a very, very, very good investment, and everybody should be stacking it. So that's why I love QuickSilver. That's why I'm a part of it. And that is why I am going to continue to share the opportunity with other people. And right now we have a Labor Day sale going on where we have really good products. All right, all of our products are on sale this week, and they're going to continue to go on sale. And throughout the weekend, there's going to be different products with different, different sales. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll leave a link down below for my shop page. And then if you want to check out the business opportunity, you can get a free silver bar delivered to your door just for checking out the business. You pay like $2.74, I believe, if you live in the United States, okay, to get a free silver bar just for checking out the opportunity. And it's super easy. Once you get our marketing system, the company allows you to offer free silver bars just for checking out the opportunity. All right. So what I do is I go and I hand out these business cards to everybody. And then, like a couple days ago on my wife's birthday, we went to the state fair, and I have these $100 drop cards, and I dropped a bunch of these. All right. I've gotten over 24 leads into my capture page since I dropped these off, okay? So it's super easy to do. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a marketing professional to make this work. You just have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. But it's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. So you can become a preferred customer or a wealth ambassador. Either way, you're going to be stacking silver. You're going to be growing your investment portfolio with physical silver. And, the company pays up to 7 different ways. And just one of the ways, you can earn up to $25,000 a month. Just one out of the 7 ways, you can earn up to $25,000 a month. Does it take work to get there? Absolutely. Is it easy? It's easy to share the opportunity. It will take time and effort on your part to get up to those levels, but it is very possible, okay? And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me, but I can tell you that the people who do and take massive action, they get results, all right? But it's all based on your work ethic, and most people don't have a very good work ethic. But I can tell you that our team is growing. I have some really good builders underneath me, some really good action takers, and we're just going to keep building this out because it's a no-brainer opportunity. It's a no-brainer opportunity. Silver is going through the roof. It's going to continue to go up in value. The dollar bill is going to continue to be devalued, especially with all the money that our government prints. And it's just a good, wise investment. So invest in yourself. Check out the links down below. Take action and start changing your life for the better. Okay? So, with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. But that's QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated in 5 minutes. I went a little bit over, but you know me. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a great rest of your day wherever you are. And if you find value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And share this with others. QuickSilver might not be for you, but you might know somebody who's looking to supplement or replace their income, or you might know somebody who's interested in investing in silver and gold. Feel free to share this. That helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.